Okay, now let's go through last year's SAC. So if we look at question 1, we see this. In question 1, I have a scatter plot. Right? And clearly it's not linear. It goes with a curvy shape like this. Okay? Now, question 1 asks me the appropriate transformation. Okay? So it become a linear. Okay? So in order to do question 1, you need to go to your textbook or your knowledge book. In your knowledge book, you should have this diagram there. Okay? Now, yep, there. Okay? This diagram is in page 190 or 180 something in your textbook. Okay? So from this diagram, it tells me my shape looks like this. It looks like this curvy shape. In the diagram, which is this part. In order to make this part a linear, this diagram tells me I have to log y. I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I can do either of this one of these four transformation. Any one will be fine. Okay? So the idea is, if I try to do this question, okay, all I need to write down is one of those four. Okay? Just remember, when you're doing this, you don't have to do all of the four. You only need to do one of the four. So I would just basically write it down. Okay, copy this down. I can do log y. I can do log y, but I can't write down y. Okay, because remember we have for the graph we have x and y. My y-axis means relative risk, so I can do log relative risk, or okay, or I can do 1 divided by y, which is 1 on relative risk, okay, or I can do log x, which is driving experience, or I can do 1 on driving experience, 1 on x, driving experience. Okay, so in the SAC, for this particular SAC, you need to write down 4 of this in order to get 1 mark. Okay. So last year, some students just write 1 or some students write 2. They don't get mark. You need to write 4 of them. You need to write all of them, and they all in there. Log y, 1 on y, log x, and 1 on x. They all in this section there. Okay.